It's done. So last night I ran this HueForge, and this turned out awesome. This turned out amazing. It's beautiful, and I want to show you the difference. So I ran the same one yesterday off of that K2 Plus right there, and I can't believe the difference. So side by side, I really couldn't believe the difference, but if you look at the one off the K2, you can see all the top surface, the nozzle patterns. Okay, and I did run a calibration before I ran this. Now, all I did was send it. I did nothing special anywhere. It is, I can't see, I can see it in the black, a little bit there, but I cannot see the nozzle patterns in the yellow or the white. Now, most people won't notice this. Most people will hang this on the wall and think it's beautiful. And if you don't hold it up with your face real close, you're not gonna notice it. But I see it, and you wouldn't. I wouldn't believe it unless I see it myself that this machine was gonna be that much better. I mean, this is better than anything I've ever gotten off the X1 or the A1s. That's unbelievable. So it makes you start wondering, what's different in these two? And it could be a setting in the slicer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm going to make sure that this slicer is mimicking the exact same settings for finish. Okay, that's what I'm going to do first. But the other thing is, I'm wondering if these are running servo motors, and this is a stepper motor. And I'm wondering if that servo is able to smooth that out a little bit more because it's more accurate on its traveling. It's just a thought. And I don't have proof yet. But it's just a thought. I went through the slicer and I matched all the settings. And now what I'm doing is I am running full calibration on the machine. This is the K2 Plus. And then once it's done, I'm going to send the file over here with the settings from H2D2 and see if I can reproduce it over here.